Step 1. Starting position and chamber. You stand in a basic stance with one leg in the front and one leg in the back of you in a relaxed manner. Try to practice both sides equally and change sides after a couple of repetitions. Let's take for this lesson the right leg in front and the left leg in the back. The goal of the setup is to turn your body away from the target to be able to kick with the rear leg. You turn your front foot to the right. You look over your left shoulder and turn your body so far that you are able to look to the front again. Your back will show to the front and your arms are close to your body. You lift your rear leg off the ground and keep it in a light chamber position. The chamber shouldn't be too tight. Make sure that you keep your weight on the ball of your foot while executing turning motions with your supporting leg. Practice this setup a few times until you feel comfortable.